Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I take off my nails. This is how they look after 2 weeks. And here you can see up close how much growth happened. It looks awful, so I had to do something about it. But I didn't really have any nice design in mind for you guys, so I decided to just show you how I take them off. It's different than with acrylics, because acrylics you can just soak off in acetone, and these are gel nails. I don't want to take too much of your time, so I'm just gonna show you one hand. So I'm gonna start with my efile, and I'm gonna use my barrel bit with the rounded top for safety. Here you can see it up close. I'm gonna use this bit to take off the color and top coat of my nails. And then I'm gonna go in with this bit to get to the area that I left out before. Because of the size, I'm able to get pretty close to my cuticles. So this is how my nails look without any color on, but there's still quite a bit of dust. So what I like to do is to simply wipe them off with some alcohol. Then I like to go in with my nail nippers, and I like to use them to cut off the gel right where I see my natural nail. As you can see, it's easy because the gel likes to crack right where the nail is. And when that's done, I like to go in with this sanding band to remove most of the gel. Now that all of the thickness is gone, I like to go in with my hand file and shape my nails. Of course, after filing, I need to remove all the dust. This is how it looks when I'm done with the shaping. Now I'm gonna be using this metal cuticle pusher, and if you have one, please be careful because it is sharp. I'm gonna use it to push back my cuticles, but also try to scrape up any of that dead skin. Then I'm gonna go in with my cuticle bit. This is how it looks. With this I'm trying to get rid of any of that dry skin that's left and also to kinda lift up my skin. Then I am gonna use my nippers to cut off any of that skin that I just left it up. I am trying to be so careful not to cut myself, but of course I am filming, so I did. Then I'm just using my ball bit to smooth everything out. Here you can see I am wiping my nails off again with some alcohol, but this time it's going to help me also with the bleeding. And here it is. There you guys have it. This is how it looks. But I don't like to leave my nails like that. So what I decided to do is to go in with some primer, because then I'm gonna apply a top coat. With top coat I'm just trying to apply nice thin layer and then cure it for 60 seconds. I used the top coat that has the sticky layer on, so I need to wipe my nails again. This is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.